This is Ghost Watches. I'm Casper, and this box just came in from Australia. So a couple months ago, I had pre-ordered the Melbourne Burnley, which is an integrated bracelet style watch. Let's get it unwrapped. Oh man, there it is. This is the green dial version of this watch. Looking at it there on wrist really quickly. Really great fit. Let's throw this on the timegrapher. 0 seconds face up, -1 seconds face down, and we're looking at about -4 seconds crown left. A very well regulated movement straight out of the box. First impressions, man, this is a good looking watch. This green dial though, man, it is something else. The way the light hits it in different situations, it's got a very dynamic look. I think that's it for this unboxing video. Gonna give this a good wear and have a review up shortly.